I was doing the next video and I went back through and renumbered, resequenced everything. I think it may be easier to keep track of in what order the videos come in, either this way or just number them 1 through whatever and however high the number goes. But I wanted to, like, the 2 would be like season 2 and then the 13th video, more or less. So that means down here we have 112 would be season 1 12th video, or the first year I started doing this channel. Well, what I was trying to do, I just uploaded this video and I wanted to make, where is that? Okay, so I wanted to make a video about buying the silver again, and I really should not have, I don't know, maybe hard to say whether I should or should not have, but I selected this and entered it in Google to search for it. Basically, I wanted to make sure everything was spelled correctly, was the only reason, because the software I use, which is Magic's Movie Edit Pro, which I'm doing some videos on it as well, probably. The thing is, it doesn't have spell check. And I was trying to figure out which episode it was, what I'm going to title it, all that good stuff, which led me to this. While I'm super proud to be, listed in the same lineup as Dave Ramsey, I'm not actually following his plan, though. Essentially, I'm doing my own way based on my own needs and wants, mostly wants, but that's tragic. But here's what's confusing. Why did this video come up still 012? Does anybody know how that works? So if you go to the video, let's see, click edit, open. That's the original raw file name. See, it's changed up here. It's changed right here. If you click on it. Oh, and before I forget, I am happy to see that my videos are starting to show up in searches. That's sort of a good sign. It's showing up correctly here. Now notice that didn't actually count me up because it's my thingy here, but I don't understand. I guess every video and I've got spaces here that it didn't put in it. I don't know how to change that. It just ignores it. Oh, I need to change this. I have to change this in my automatic settings. It takes the first 3 in the list. But anyway, I guess I need to be more careful what the original uploaded file name is. You reckon? Because that's what it pretty much goes by. That's just basically the working title to a certain degree. Oh well, let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down or both. And I will talk to you in the next video.